What's up, fam? Welcome to another video. So today, I brought special guest, Casey. Casey is here learning about redoing houses, right, Casey? What we buying today? What we buying today?
We're buying cabinets.
We're buying cabinets. That's right. They're right over there. Are you excited about it? I'm about to go see the new house. What did you say that stuff was over there?
You get to pick a roof, and
Yep.
you get to pick a roof that you want, and
Yeah.
then they will get it, and they will put it on and they'll put it on the rooftop.
Yeah, that's right. That is right. Did you have a half a day at school today?
Huh?
Half a day today? Yeah. So, I'm about to take Casey over to the house. They got a lot of stuff done. The floor might be almost halfway done now. And so we got to get the cabinets. I got all the appliances for the kitchen in there already. It's not plugged up, but it's there. Everything for the bathroom is there. It's got to paint. I think they're going to paint tomorrow. And then we're going to have the outside of the house. We're going to have that painted by, we're going to have it painted on Friday. So Friday, the house will be a whole different color. It's so cool. It's going to be blue. Like our other house. Yeah. So that way you'll know which houses are ours. So it'd be like a signature that all our houses would be blue. Yep.
Why don't one of them be green?
Green? We can do one green if you want to. Maybe another one we can do green. Yeah. That'd be good too. So yeah, just putting this stuff on the truck right here, y'all. And we're about to go to the house. I'm gonna catch y'all when we get to the crib and let y'all see some of the updates, man. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Like and subscribe. And then the other thing I wanted to say was link in bio, $20 membership. I'll tell you everything about how to get these properties as well. Link is in the description box. The community is definitely growing, so don't wait. Tap in. Nah, I ain't got no straps. Nope. So yeah, let me finish this, y'all. And then we'll finish. Man, I need to clean this car. It's so dirty. But it's been raining, huh, Casey? So can't stop the rain. All right. Well, we are here. They didn't power wash. You can tell they power washed the house because this stuff right here chipped off. Stuff right here. So yeah, they didn't power washed it. Stuff like that. So I'm about to ask them to come and grab this stuff off of here. Watch your step, Casey. Hey, what's up? I got the cabinets. Yeah. Yeah. Cool. So this is the floor, y'all. Almost done. You like the floor, Casey? Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Then look, it's all the way back there. It's cool, huh? That place, they didn't have the I tried to get the transition strips. They didn't have it. They didn't have the transition strip. I'm gonna go to Menards. You just want the black ones, right? Just black.
Just look at the color, the floors, no, maybe no match.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, or you want to? They were trying to sell me the ones. It was like the whole floor.
Oh.
You, are you gonna still use part of this? Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Maybe
I'm gonna add
the color.
same color.
Yeah.
Okay.
The heating is working now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Yep. Let's see. Is that cool, Casey? Look, see the bathroom?
They clean the tub.
Yep, they did. Actually, that's a new tub in there. Yeah. And then, you like the floor? Do it remind you of the floor at our house? Yeah. And then, I think tomorrow, they're gonna paint the walls. Right now, they got it primed. This is called primer on there. And then they're gonna really paint it tomorrow. Yeah. Is that cool? These doorknobs right here, y'all, these were like different type of doorknobs. They were big, so they did this, and they're gonna make it like a smaller, regular hole for these doors. So, yeah. Oh, did you see this room, Case? Yep, they changed the lights. And then this is the mirror right here. This is the vent. This is a sink thing. Vanity sink.
Does it have a bathroom?
Huh?
Does it have a bathroom?
The bathroom right here.
No bathroom in the room because the sink.
Oh yeah, that's one in the bathroom. Yep. It's one in the bathroom. And then that right there that you see, this is the oven.
Where?
And then that right there is the toilet. On the other side. You can stay right there. I'm gonna walk over here, see what this looks like. Look at here, y'all. Look at here. It's crazy. Come on. So this is the transition strip right here that I might need to go get. So we're gonna put this door all the way down there. So is that cool?
Can we go outside and look outside?
You wanna go outside? Okay. Yeah.
Oh, it's a car there.
Yep. They gotta take this stuff to the trash. All right.
Can we go down?
When we're down? Okay. I'll walk up real quick so I can close this door. All right, come on. And so we're gonna paint this basement too. Watch your step, okay?
Okay.
But yeah, we're gonna paint this basement. I think we're gonna paint it either black or gray. I think maybe gray. I haven't necessarily thought about it. Yeah. There go the dishwasher right there. On the other side is probably, I don't know, it's probably something. But yeah, that's what it looked like. Finally turned the furnace on. So now we got some heat in here. All right. Well, that's about it, y'all. That's about it right here, man. We're gonna put the microwave up there in case.
All the way up there.
Yeah. Not all the way up there. It'd be down a little bit lower, but yep. That'd be that. See the refrigerator?
This is really just like our old house.
Oh yeah. It is like our old house for sure. Is that cool? Yeah. Alright, time to get up out of here. Alright, y'all, we're about to go home because the Tesla battery about to go dead. So we're about to go home. Charge this car, man, and run payroll, man. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to sign up for the $20 membership. I will show you guys how to run these real estate plays, man. So do not wait till it's too late. And I know y'all see crypto and the stock market running up, and I'll show you guys that as well. Link in bio. But see you guys in the next video. Peace.